What up, YouTube? Yeah, your boy back. I know you miss me. Quit playing, you know you miss me. Damn, I dropped a little. So I decided to go ahead and quit teasing y'all. Go ahead and uploading up one of them videos. Yeah, I had her out here warming up. It snowed last night. I don't know if y'all could tell or not. And a little bit this morning. But forecast yesterday, they ain't said it was gonna snow. It's supposed to be sunny, about 56 degrees. Well, they lied. Meteorologists get on my goddamn... Man, hold up. Get the fuck out the way. Yeah, it's wet and slippery. I ain't got on the best shoes, but I got on all my gear. I just cannot take another day of driving the car to work. See that bright blue light? These HIDs are amazing. Matter of fact, let me show you again before we get going. Yeah, pretty. Alright, let me hurry before I be late. Squirrel. I just couldn't take another day of driving the car to work. So I said, fuck it. There's a lot of rocks right there. Morning, neighbor. I ain't even see your creeping ass over there. So yeah, I don't even know what I'm talking about in this video. I wasn't even planning on making one for real. Damn, still gotta get warmed up. I might be getting a Zixer. Found somebody on Craigslist that wants to trade his 2008 ZX6R for a 2008 and up Ninja 250R. And I'm like, huh, I've been wanting one for the longest. So, I think I'ma hit him up and see what's good with making that trade. Because he want one for his fiance and he just bought an R1. So, we get to rapping over the phone after I bombard him with text messages and voicemails. Alright, that was like the first person I left a voicemail for in a long time. Don't nobody leave voicemails no more. If we call somebody on their cell phone and they don't answer, we just send a text message. We don't leave voicemails no more. But I was just this excited, so I left a voicemail. So we talking about the bike and stuff. It's got a salvage title. Hell, mine would have a salvage title if I reported it to the insurance company, but I didn't. No point in the rates going up over some scratches. So we're gonna make the trade sometime this week after we check out each other's bikes and whatnot. He's got about 7,600 miles, mine got about 7,300 miles. And I might be riding home with a Zixer. Now that don't mean that I don't like the 250. This is a fun ass bike. But I've been wanting a Zixer for quite a long time. I want some fuel injected and with a little more power. Now, if I do make the trade, best believe I'ma still get another 250 one of these days. Because this is a fun ass, reliable, ergonomic, efficient, all around bike. If that makes sense. Can't see because I'm out of breath talking to you, motherfuckers. And my nose stopped up a little bit. I know when I get to the gig, they're gonna be like, dude, you rode your bike in this? Like, man, it ain't even snowing out there no more. So quit playing and pass me a beer. So even though I'm getting a bigger bike, I'm still gonna get another 250. Because I like this bike. This bike is fun as hell. I hate the horn on this motherfucker. But the bike itself, for what it is really effing fun. Damn, I left my phone. I guess I could go back and get it. I guess. Let me find a good spot to turn around at. Ah, I knew I was gonna leave something. Let me double check. 1 pocket, 2 pocket. Damn, I left it. Well, that ends this video. Once I get to the crib,